Weight off my knees, my arms, and my shoulders is a game changer. Working the ping, go down, work some more, again, over in. Now I'm close to my work, I can see what I'm doing. Grab a tool, both hands, get a little extra pressure in here as I'm cleaning up edges. It's taking all the weight, all the pressure off my body, which is gonna give me longevity. I'm on my hands and knees for, gosh, I don't know, 6 months out of the year. So let's get to work.
How much more ground I can cover without moving? It's gotta be triple. My knees are way back here. There's no way I could touch this. I could touch that up there. There's no way. I have way more control being on this. Now I'm up on this. And even roll to it. Just to follow this like this, which is way harder because I have to stop, catch up, and then start again, catch up. Because I couldn't do this all day long if I didn't have this on. I could sleep at night. I couldn't sleep at night, man.
So today I was able to finish a boat that I've been working on using this backup, and forecast on the vessel is about 50 hours. Usually we go either side, a little bit, but I was able to shave 10 hours off this boat using this. Being able to get on the job, being able to use both my hands, I feel like I'm two people. I'm able to get in there, do the job, and get it done faster, with less pain. It's a game changer. This has been one of the best products I've ever used in my life. Bo, thank you, and back up. That's all I'm going to say. Get it.